Hey there, welcome to TechTube. Today I want to show you how you can write a article in LinkedIn through your PC. So open your preferred web browser and go on and log into your LinkedIn account through their website. So this is your homepage and it will look somewhat similar to mine. Uh, so so you can post through here, right? And there is a option just below it called write article. Click on that. So if you have already made your article from different softwares, let's say from Word, Excel, PDFs, let's say Canvas and other stuff, other softwares, you have already made the article and you just want to post it. So simply choose this. Or let's say you want to make an article from scratch. Click on create a design and this will pop up. So all this stuff, these are templates. You just choose whatever you needed, you personalize it, you change it however you like it, and just click on next. Done. And well, when you do this, when you upload, just click on next and then be done. Of course you need to add a title and other stuff, right? Then click on next. So that's it. If this content helped you, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.